And you also mentioned about turning off lightning, which I thought was interesting. I was just out at the clock site where we're building the clock, and we have a big, huge crane tower at the top that's attached to all of us humans effectively because we're all on the crane platform. And whenever there was lightning within 5 miles, we had to stop working. And obviously lightning causes destruction around the world on some level, and fires, forest fires, for better or worse, depending on where you are. What do you think that there's a plausible scenario for being able to control lightning on that level?
I think it's worth looking at because, as I mentioned, lightning uses this gain mechanism. It doesn't have enough field to generate lightning to start, but this relativistic electron avalanche has a net gain. And usually something like that has gain, it's pretty easy to wreck it. And all you have to do is wreck it to wreck its gain to stop the chain reaction and to stop the lightning. Is
that theory the widely accepted theory at this point, or is that still a fairly
it's one of the main, Gurevich and Zybin's runaway breakdown is one of the main contenders. However, it doesn't explain a few things. Apparently, it doesn't have quite enough gain to actually start a real lightning strike, which is anywhere from 30,000 to 120,000 amps. However, Dwyer came up with a really novel mechanism where the gamma rays facing downwards can produce positron-electron pairs, just like in the NASA video, but heading downwards. And if you make a positron in that electric field, it heads back upstream because it's positively charged. And his theory is it can make it upstream far enough to where it eventually does hit something and annihilates. It'll produce more relativistic electrons upstream again, and it forms kind of this positronic feedback loop that could greatly increase the current in the avalanche. And that was the point where I said, no, I can't believe positrons are lightning.